In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a video to your slides, creating an engaging multimedia presentation. This easy-to-follow tutorial will help you incorporate video files into your slides quickly and efficiently, ensuring your presentation stands out. First, let's dive into opening your slide. You'll want to make sure you're in normal view. Normal view allows you to see your slide layout, making it easier to edit and position your content precisely where you want it. Within the Slides pane on the left side of your screen, navigate through your slides and select the one you wish to add the video to. This pane gives you a convenient overview of your entire presentation, helping you find the right slides swiftly. Now, let's head over to the Insert menu in the top menu bar. Once you click on Insert, a drop-down menu will appear. In this drop-down, hover over the Movie and Sound option. It might sometimes appear simply as Movie and Sound, depending on your software version. This option is your gateway to adding multimedia files like videos and audio to enhance your presentation. With the drop-down open and the Movie and Sound option selected, you'll be prompted with a file browser window. This is where you'll choose your video file. Navigate through your folders to find the video you plan to embed. Make sure you have your video file saved in one of the supported formats like .avi, .mpg, .mpeg, MP4, or .mov. The availability of these formats may depend on the codecs installed on your system. Once you locate the desired video file, select it and click Open. This action will import the video into your slide, ready for positioning. The video object will now appear on your slide. You can see it's been added, but it might need some adjustments to properly fit your presentation's design. Click and drag from the corners of the video object to resize it. Resizing this way will maintain the aspect ratio, ensuring your video doesn't become distorted. Once you're satisfied with the size, you can click and drag the video to its desired position on the slide. This flexibility allows for precise placement to complement your slide layout and overall presentation theme. Lastly, it's crucial to test your video. Before finalizing your presentation, play the video to ensure it works correctly and starts at the desired cue in your presentation flow. Testing also confirms that the quality is up to par and that there are no playback issues. By thoroughly preparing and testing, you can present with confidence, knowing everything is in perfect order. And there you have it, a complete guide to embedding videos into your slides. This simple yet effective technique will make your presentations more dynamic and engaging, capturing the interest of your audience with ease.